Yo. Damn. Yeah, I'm back. There's no real structure for these videos, in case you haven't seen them or just shit like that. I think I've only uploaded like one, but I think another one's uploading literally this week. I don't know. I feel like these are just kind of trying to, they're kind of just meant to try to help me. Yeah. I'm in my apartment complex parking lot, so I'm not driving. Yeah. Got this thing. It's a Love Street Blonde. It looks like shit. I don't even drink beer like that, but fuck, man. I don't think I'll get a ticket for this. I don't think so. Oh, fuck. That looks fucking nasty as shit. I don't know. Feeling like shit these past couple days. It's already been a minute 40, but yeah, fuck, I feel like it's been longer. I don't know, I feel like I'm in a weird spot in my life. It's not really feel like. I think it's kind of just a thing everybody goes through, especially guys like my age go through. I just feel lost, you know, shit like that. But I don't think I'm as strong as others, like at all. I think the way I've kind of been dealing with this shit has been, healthy. Yeah. Yeah. About like almost 3 weeks ago, it was like a Tuesday. It was like right after I got off work, yeah. I went to my parents' place and I tried to shoot myself. Tried shooting myself. I pussied out and I got thrown into a psychiatrist, or not psychiatrist, but like a psych hospital. I've been trying my best to fucking, what's the right word? Like readjust myself to this. And I'm fucking trying, man. I'm fucking trying. It's not working well though. I feel like a lot of my nights and shit are just. I gotta go to bed early because I hate that feeling when I'm up. You know, it's like the up, the down, shit like that. I hate that feeling. Yeah. I got put on 60 grams of Prozac. I don't know, man. When I was in the psych hospital, they put me on something for like my anxiety and something for sleeping, so I wouldn't have like nightmares and shit like that. But I haven't seen any of that anytime soon. Like I don't think they sent my prescription to me, so it's just Prozac, and I don't feel great about it, honestly. I feel like, honestly, more than anything, I just feel like shit all the goddamn time. I'm not sad, but I'm not happy. I'm kind of just mellowed out, and that's arguably like a worse feeling. Sorry, my hair looks like shit in this video, but yeah, I don't know. I think about I go back on that day a lot because like it's still like it's fairly new, so it's still like on the back of my head and shit. I just remember hearing my dad cry, like on the phone. I stayed on the phone with him for like 10 minutes till he got to me. sometimes I wish, like I go back on the day a lot and I wish I pulled the trigger. And it's not like a me trying to be edgy thing, but it's just like, fuck, man. Like, I'm fucking up, man, and I'm trying my best to, like, keep going forward, you know? But it doesn't even feel like I'm living at this fucking point. It just feels like I'm kind of coexisting with you and shit. And I hate that feeling. I hate that I can't find my purpose and shit like that. Things looked up for a little bit for me. Yeah, I got really close with this girl. I really liked her. Fuck, I just found out that she's in love with another dude, and kind of anybody she sees in the meantime is just kind of pass, you know, just kind of help pass the time, because she wants him to experience his college shit. I feel like I should be angry or sad, but I don't feel anything. I think more than anything, it's kind of just like, oh, fuck, dude. Because I don't like the feeling of me being second place, you know? But I also don't feel like I've ever been, like, you know, that way for somebody. I don't know. It just seemed like these last couple of years have been really fucking lonely for me. Like, when we moved back to Texas, that shit was really hard for me. And I thought in high school it would get better and got worse. I thought when I got out of high school, I wouldn't, you know, it wouldn't be so bad because I wouldn't be like dealing with teenagers anymore. But honestly, fuck, man, I wish I could go back now. I get scared a lot. It's like a rent, car payment, and utility bills coming up in like less than a week. But because I was out of work for like a week, I missed out on a good fucking heft of a paycheck. And I don't think they can really reimburse you, especially if you're like in a psych hospital and shit like that. So I also feel like a piece of shit because I just can't ever make time for the people I met there, man. Like, I always see their texts and shit like that, and I wish I could fucking respond, and I get it's like a 10-second thing, but I just fucking can't. And they probably think I hate them. I don't hate them, but it's like, if you had your opportunity to jump in like early, why the fuck are you gonna wait till the middle or towards the end? You know what I'm saying? Feel very alone. I hate fucking saying that. I hate like enunciating that shit because it makes me sound so fucking pathetic. And like I'm looking for validation. That's not the case. It's just I feel that way, and I hate feeling this way, but I don't know what the fuck to do. It just feels like I'm always gonna be like 2-3 steps behind, and I'm gonna always be playing this game of catch up. This tastes like shit, by the way. It actually tastes like shit, dude. Ugh. Ugh. Tastes like shit. Oh, man. This Prozac isn't fucking helping. I'm pretty sure me drinking and fucking taking it isn't gonna fucking make me feel any better. And I hate that I have like a sailor's mouth. I wish I could drop that, but I just can't. Like, I'm like mentally putting like a barricade on that so like I don't say like ketchup slur, like anything like that. I hate this feeling so much. I feel like I've cut out a lot of people in my life, and usually people say that it's like it's a sad thing, but it's better for, you know, like the future and stuff. But I don't feel that way at all. I feel like the people I know right now are the best I'm gonna ever do. Playing with one of those little things you put your phone in. I'm just thinking of what do I want to do, because I know if I do this for another 10, 20 years, I'm gonna be dead. Killed myself probably, because I can barely deal with this. And like now imagine me when I like have like more adult shit going on, and I have these, and it's just like I don't know, man. My diabetes is getting worse. It's getting really hard to read fucking text now. That's one thing I also wish too. I wish sometimes I would get like a sweet release of where I don't do anything to myself, but it's one of those things where I just pass in my sleep, you know what I'm saying? I feel like that is such a nice way to go. And sometimes I wish my diabetes would do it just like in the middle of the night. Just like take me out, please. Because I just can't. I don't even want to fucking drink this beer anymore, dude. This sucks. I can't even look at the goddamn camera. I'm trying to think what a good title for this one's gonna be. It'll probably come to me in a minute, but yeah. Thank you for watching. I love you.